What is ClickFunnels? Is that a question that you're asking yourself right now? Well, if you stick around and stay until the end of this video, you'll know exactly what ClickFunnels is all about. All right. But before we get started, if it's the first time that you came on one of my videos or on my channel, just know that my name is binelus, and I'm a full-time online entrepreneur helping others to have four-figure days with affiliate marketing online. So if you're all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, this is what my channel is all about. So if you want more content about that, I invite you to subscribe to my channel by hitting the big red button and by hitting the bell icon to get notifications on your mobile devices or emails for when I upload new videos, because I'm going to do so on a weekly and sometimes on a daily basis. And it's all going to be about affiliate marketing, working from home, sales funnels, and things of that nature. All right. So, what is ClickFunnels? Well, ClickFunnels is a software that allows you to easily create sales funnels that you can use for your business online. And some of you know what a sales funnels is, but if you don't, let's go over the definition real quickly. Well, sales funnels, which is also known as a revenue funnel or a sales process online, it's the buying process that companies or businesses online lead customers through when they're purchasing products on the internet, right? So usually the traditional way to do business online is to have a website, right? So if, for example, we go to the Best Buy website, you come on here and it may get overwhelming because there's so many things that you can do on here. You can click on so many links, check out so many things, and then there's not one thing that you're going to come on this page to do. Sometimes it's just, you can easily get distracted when you come on a website like this. But a sales funnel is different because you're going to take a visitor that comes to your website one step at a time until they become a buying customer. So as you can see right here, I'm inside of one of my funnels that I'm currently testing right now. And as you can see, these are my funnel steps, right? They most of the time it starts with an opt-in, which is also known as a landing page or a squeeze page, right? Where you're getting some information from the visitor, right? An email address in exchange for some information or a lead magnet that you're sharing, right? And then you're gonna take them step by step through your process until they become a buying customer, right? So as you can see, I have the opt-in, order confirmation, membership access, membership area, and this is a funnel right here. ClickFunnels is really good at simplifying things and make things simple. And as you can see, all your funnel steps are right here, and this is the exact process that a visitor, once they complete one step, that's the exact process that they're gonna go through when they go through your website. Well, you can also create websites with ClickFunnels, but it's mostly a software that's gonna help you build sales funnels, and this is how a lot of people online and a lot of businesses make thousands, if not millions of dollars with sales funnels, because it can really help you scale your business up with that kind of process online, right? And if you use a regular website, traditional website, like a website like this, big brands, they can use that, and they can probably use a sales funnel, but it's better for you if you're a smaller business to use a sales funnel, and that's going to help you automate most of the processes of your business and really, most importantly, scale up. So as you can see right here, I have an opt-in page, just to give you a quick example, right? So I have an opt-in page right here that people go to, and I share a cheat sheet right there on in this funnel, right? And if you're running paid advertising, it's good to have something that we call a self-liquidating offer, right? And sales funnels are cool because once somebody lands on this page right here, there's only one goal and one thing that they can do. There's usually no other distractions, and they have to, right here, it's enter the email address to go to the next step, and there's nothing else to do on this page, right? So this is why it's a process which you take your visitor through until they become a buying customer, right? And then the next step in this funnel is an SLO, which is better known as a self-liquidating offer, which helps to recoup on ad costs when you're doing paid advertising. And it's an offer that I'm doing right on the thank you page after they've entered the information. So I'm still sending them the information that they're requesting in exchange for their email address, but I'm also making an offer on that page, which helps me recoup on ad cost. And this is why it's called a self-liquidating offer, or something that you also heard, that you may have heard, that's called the tripwire offer, right? So I make a special offer right here, and then there's an order form that displays here after a couple seconds. And once they order, what happens next, if they decide to go for it, a percentage of the people that are going to come on here are not going to buy right away, right? And you can have email follow-up sequence in the back end that can help create a sale. That's why they always say the money's in the follow-up, right? And then I have a confirmation order confirmation page, right? So after this step, if they buy, then you have an order confirmation page, which is where the thank you page for the order, which is where the person that became a buying customer for you can access to what they just purchased, right? So a percentage of the people that go through this process is going to buy, some will not, but it's okay. And this is why something like this is in place in the event that you're doing paid advertising. So this is a model that we call the SLO model, self-liquidating offer. But there's different models that you can use when it comes to sales funnels. I'm not going to go into details about that here on this video because we can talk for hours. But this is one of them. This is one example, right? So this is why I like sales funnels, because it can really help your business. And this is exactly what ClickFunnels can help you do, right? The ClickFunnels is a software that helps you create sales funnels that you can utilize to put your ideas and to run your business online effectively. All right. So if you want to try ClickFunnels right now, I left the link underneath this video in the description box. It is my affiliate link, because when you use the platform, you can also be an affiliate for them to refer people onto them. And now you know what's going to happen when you refer somebody else onto the platform. It's gonna start paying your ClickFunnels software is going to start paying for itself when you refer people to it. And you can do the same thing when you start your free trial. You can try it right now for 2 weeks, 14 days, and it's pretty awesome. You can get going right now. And if you do so right now, I'm going to offer you a 3.5 hours training that show you exactly how to use sales funnels and how to get going with sales funnels with your business, right? And on top of that, I'm also going to share with you, in the event that you go ahead and get your trial today, you're going to have to let me know, right? You're going to get back to me, let me know that you went for your trial. I'm going to also give you access to a paid training that I hosted previously that shows how to 10x your business online using ClickFunnels in a very popular email autoresponders that can help you with the back-end follow-up. Because like I just previously said, the money is in the follow-up, and it's important that any business online set something like that up, and that's going to help automate most of the parts of your business. And on top of that, so I'm going to give you access to the training, extensive training that shows you how to utilize ClickFunnels and how to get your sales funnels up and running as fast as possible. And the replay for a paid training that I hosted that shows you how to get how to 10x your business online with the power of ClickFunnels and an email autoresponder. I'm also gonna put in, if you go ahead and get your free trial right now through the link that I left right in this video in the description box right now, which is my affiliate link, I'm gonna also put in a 15-minute startup call with me, so that I can show you the ropes in the event that you have some questions, or maybe you're stuck at something, or just to help you get started with ClickFunnels, because I'm pretty agile with that. I build funnels I build funnels for people sometimes, and I'm pretty familiar with the platform, so I can help you out. If you have any questions or anything that concerns you, I can assist you. 15-minute call, we'll go through it, I answer your questions, and it's gonna help you get up and running. All right, so you can do so by getting your trial right now for ClickFunnels through the link right underneath this video in the description box right now. And of course, if you like this video and now you have a clear understanding of what ClickFunnels is. I invite you to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and leave me a comment. Maybe you have some questions. You can ask them below. And don't forget, if you want more content about things like this and affiliate marketing and how to run your business online and work from home, subscribe to my channel by hitting the big red button. And you can also hit the bell icon to get notifications on your mobile device for as soon as I upload new videos. I'm going to do so on a weekly and sometimes daily basis. And you'll also get emails for when I upload new content on my channel. All right, so hopefully you got some value from this video. I'm going to sign out now. This was binelus here, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.